The air source heat pump, or chiller of the water system is installed outdoors. The indoor part consists of distribution manifold, floor heating terminal, control system and fan coil unit. Start heating mode in winter. The air source heat pump absorbs heat from the air to heat the circulating water in the system. The circulating water brings the heat to each room through the floor heating pipe, and the heat is radiated from the floor heating coil to the room. The heat is distributed evenly, and the indoor temperature is balanced and comfortable. We can also choose fan coil system for heating. Hot water circulates in the fan coil pipe, and the fan coil in each room blows out hot air. This can quickly complete indoor heating. The outdoor unit can run stably at -25°C. Start cooling mode in summer. The outdoor unit cools the heat of the circulating water flowing back to 7°C, and then sends it back to the fan coil unit of each room, which absorbs the indoor air heat into the circulating water to complete cooling. The circulating water at 12°C carries heat into the outdoor unit, and then it is cooled down again. The fan coil unit blows cold air to maintain indoor comfortable temperature.